Hello all. Our today's topic is data types in Python. As we already know, data types is the important thing in the programming language because whenever we are creating variable, we are storing the data values into that variable, and we must have some relative information about that data values because we are doing some operation after creating the variable. So that's why information of data type is important. Here in Python, some built-in data types is already there, like string, integer, float, and we can use these words in our programming language to convert one type of data type into another type of data type. So that's what the use of these words, guys. Here I don't have too much explanation about these words. I will use these words and show you how we can use these words to convert one type of data type into another type of data type in Jupyter Notebook. Actually, the main data type is divided into two parts, guys: immutable data types and mutable data types. Mu- what is mean by immutable data types? Immutable data types means, guys, after creating the data values, we can't change that data values. That's what the meaning of this immutable data types. What is meant by mutable data types then? Mutable data types means, guys, whenever we are creating some data values and we are storing that data values into variable, after that also we can change it and we can do some operation or we can manipulate that values by using some techniques. So we can change that values. That's what mutable data type is. I will tell you how we can store different data types in variables. So let's go and let's go for the coding now. Here I write the script for integer, means how we can store a integer into a variable. So it's just a simple program, guys. Here I just store 23 into variable x and I write a script for means which type of data I stored in the x. So I write here type of x and here I got the result. I stored integer into x and here I got the proper result. After that I converted that integer into float, and I already told you that words we can use in programming language to convert one type of data type into another type of data type. Here I converted that integer into float and here I got the result. Also we can see here I have written some script for to see the imaginary part of that x. So x dot image and here I got the result. 0 is it's the part of that, it's an imaginary part of that x. And if you want to see which type of operation you can perform on this, so you just have to write x dot and press the tab button, and here you can see this type of operation you can perform on this. And try it on your PC, guys. I'm not going to tell you all these things. I just write here x dot im and tab. After that I got this. After that I stored string type of data into x variable, and here my x is overwritten now. Now I got the output as a hello world, and after that I saw which type of data I stored in the x. So here I write the script and here I got the result. String type of data is stored in the x now. After that I write the code for float. So here I stored x is equal to 20.5, and after that I write the code which type of data I stored in the x. So here I write that type of x and here I got the output as type of x is float, and I want to convert that x into integer now. So here I write the script integer of x and here I got the output. It's a simple program guys, and we know all these things: integer, float, and all these things, string. We learn these things in the college also. Here I write some script for complex number. I write x is equal to 1j, and after that I wanted to see which type of data is there in the x, and here I write the type of x. So here I got the result: type of x is complex. After that I will tell you about the tuple. Also, one thing I wanted to tell you guys here, I'm creating more videos on tuple, list, set, and dictionary. So you don't have to too much worry about these things. I'm going to create more videos on this. Here I just write the simple things. Tuple, guys, we can create tuple by using parentheses. We can use the parentheses and we can store the different values into that tuple. And here I have created one tuple guys: x is equal to these fruits names, and after that I wanted to see which type of values I stored into the x variable. So here I got the output: type of x is tuple, and here I printed the result also. Here I don't use the print function because I just call the variable which variable in which I stored the values, and I just write here the way that variable, particular variable, and I got the related output. After that I wanted to access the first value from that variable. So here I write the script for that: x of 0. Here I wanted to tell you that guys, Python has default things. Some default things are there. They are starting their index from 0, and if you want to see the last value, then here you can write x of -1 and you will get the banana. If you wanted to start from the backward side, then you have to start with the -1, and if you wanted to start the index from front side, then you have to start with the 0 guys. You have to remember these things, and using the parentheses guys we can create the tuple. So just remember these things. I will create more videos on tuple also. In next time I'm creating some videos on tuple, list, set, and dictionary. So after that I have created, means for list I have created some variable, and here I created one list. And after that I wanted to replace the 0th value because list is a mutable data type guys, and we can change it. So here I write it the code for that, and x of 0 is now orange. Before that apple was there, but I wanted to change it with orange, and here the x is updated now guys, and here I wanted to print that x, and here you can see the orange is coming now. After that I wanted to add chiku in that list. So here is a simple program is there: x dot append, means we are adding that fruit into that list again. So here I have written that, and if you want to see the result, then here you can see guys, chiku is added here. After that I wanted to reverse this list. I don't want this type of list. I want chiku first because I like chiku. So here I write the script x dot reverse of, and here I got the output because I don't write the x there guys, that's why I don't got the output. After that here you can see the list is printed in reversed format. So this is what how we can print our list and we can manipulate it, or we can add some values into it. And here you have to remember one thing, that we can create list by using this square bracket. So just remember these things, guys. I'm creating more videos on list also in next coming time. And here I wanted to see which type of data I stored in the X. So here I got the out list. As we already know, list is a built-in data type. After that, I wanted to tell you about the dictionary, how we can create the dictionary. Actually, dictionary is a key pair value term, guys. Means dictionary we can create by using key and value pair. Without that, we can't create the dictionary. So here I have created one dictionary, and I wanted to access the first name from the dictionary, and here I access that first name and I got the output as a nickel, because the key value is here is first name. And if you want to access particular value or particular data, so we have to use that key name for that particular data. So here I use the first name, X of first name, and here I got the result for that. After that, I wanted to see which type of data I stored in the X. So here I got the output as a dict. Actually, dict means it's a dictionary, guys. So using this curly bracket, we can create a dictionary, and we have to use a key value pair term. Here is, this is called a key and this is called a value. Value means data and key means index, we can say it. After that, I have created a set, and set is also a mutable data type, guys. We can manipulate it and we can add some values into it. But in uh, set, guys, we have to remember one thing, that whenever we are storing the values into set, we are getting output. In the output, we are getting only unique values. We don't get the, means if the repetitive values are there in that particular data, then we can't get that repetitive data. Here I wanted to show you that thing. Here I have written this set using these curly braces, and after that I have updated that X by using these values. Here you can see apple is 2 times, but whenever I am writing this X, you can say that this type of output you can get. But here I can see I got this output because in the set we are getting only unique values in the output, guys. We are getting only for 2 apple we got 1 apple, for 2 banana we got 1 banana, and for cherry also there is 2 cherries there and we got 1 cherry only. So that's how the set is performing, guys. And we can manipulate the set also, because it's a mutable data type. We can add values into it. Here I add the values into set, and after that my set is updated now. So here you can see my set was this and now my set is this. Also you can access that set, but here you can see set is not subscriptable, means we can't access the set, guys. Here we can see in list we can access the values from that list, but here in set we can't access that values. After that, frozen set is there. So what is meant by frozen set, guys? Frozen set, it's means we can call it as a immutable type of set, means we can't change the set, this type of set, after creating it. So here I have created frozen set of the sets, and I wanted to add fruits into that set. Here I have write here I write this script to add this chiku into this set. So I got the proper output. But after creating the frozen set, I am not able to write, I am not able to add more values into it. So that's what the difference between the frozen set and set. So that's it for today's guys. If you want to know more about the Python, then please subscribe my channel and let me know about this video. And please practice on this, because by watching these videos you are not going to learn too much. Thank you so much for today.